Bosch offers 3 types of battery chargers or maintainers that cover all commonly used battery applications, from passenger cars to commercial vehicles, and leisure applications like motorcycles, boats, and quads. All types of batteries, including 6, 12, or 24 volts, flooded, gel, or AGM, can be safely and efficiently charged with the Bosch C-Series. All Bosch battery chargers include one-button operation, easy-to-read LED signal indicators, and our smart charging technology. The C1 charger is small, lightweight, and designed to deliver 3.5 amps for charging standard 12-volt batteries. Our C3 charger features 4 charging modes and incorporates a memory function to resume battery charging after a temporary loss of power. The C7 offers 6 charging modes, including the ability to function as a 12-volt backup to maintain codes and other information in the vehicle's electrical system during battery replacement. And all Bosch battery chargers come with a variety of convenient accessories. Bosch battery chargers can be used for both recharging batteries and maintaining a high charge without overcharging a battery. The C7 also provides a regeneration mode for deeply discharged batteries. To attach a Bosch charger to a battery, connect the red clamp, which should be attached to the red cable of the charger, to the positive terminal of your battery indicated by the plus sign. Next, connect the black clamp, which should be attached to the black cable of the charger, to the negative terminal of your battery indicated by the minus sign. Plug the charger into a socket close to the battery that requires maintenance. Then use the button on the device to set the intended mode to charge the battery. Be aware that potentially dangerous sparks can be created by the charging connectors if the charger is plugged in before the cables are connected to the battery. By plugging in the charger after you connect the cables, you will avoid creating sparks around the discharged battery. To find your local source for high-quality Bosch automotive products, visit our website at boschautoparts.com. For professional assistance with your auto repair needs, contact an independently owned and authorized Bosch Car Service repair shop. Visit boschcarservice.us to find one near you.